In today's world, the only constant is change. And at Sealed Air, we're constantly changing, creating new ways to keep up with society, industry, and agriculture. Because while invention is good, reinvention is braver. It means we aren't afraid to tear down our own ideas to build better ones. Because tomorrow doesn't care what you invented yesterday. It demands more, and we'll be there. With new ways to handle e-commerce with engineered protective packaging that can be reused, recycled, and created on demand. With new ways to secure and protect the global food supply chain with innovative food packaging that doesn't just extend shelf life, but removes plastic waste from our environment before it's created. As consumers demand change again and again and again, we'll keep changing. We'll keep reinventing. We are proud to have a name that's respected across industries and brands that are trusted in factories, stores, and homes around the world. We won't ever forget where we came from, but we stand ready to embrace whatever comes next, because we see a world where physical packaging can transform into digital intelligence. Our purpose is simple. We're in business to protect, to solve critical packaging challenges, and to leave our world better than we found it. We thank you for the decades of trust you put in us. Because of you, we've built meaningful brands that are recognized around the world and powerful innovations to help you grow. That's our legacy. Now, we're focused on seeing what lies ahead.